Hey guys, Jared here with LPT Realty, and today I get the privilege to showcase my newest listing, which is 2780 Bridal in Sanford, Florida. This is a vacant lot, which is 3.3 acres, located in the Sanford Trail Estates, which is only 14 parcels of custom homes. So it's a beautiful place for you to bring your future home plans. Now, what's great is it's here in a cul-de-sac, so it's nice and private, it's quiet, and there's plenty of room for you to do what you want to do. It's zoned A1, and as well, you can also put in a pool, a workshop, or even a horse barn. Whatever your vision, this land can fulfill it. But don't take my word for it, come check it out. So what's not to love about Sanford Trail Estates and having the opportunity to build your future dream home? With 3.3 acres, there is so much you can do to fulfill that vision. If you have questions, please reach out to me at 407-493-8872 or have your agent contact me, and I look forward to you calling this your future home.